Under scene 3, Manu got married and became Rani of Jhansi. Scene 4, narrator. As the wheel of the life turns, means as the time passes, the Rani of Jhansi faces many turning points, many important changes happens in his life, in her life. Her happiest moment is when a son is born of her in 1851. The son was born, and obviously it was the very happiest moment for Manu. But 3 months later, the baby dies, and that was the saddest moment of her life. At the fort of Jhansi, Gangadhar Rao and Rani Lakshmi Bai are in a serious discussion. At fort of Jhansi, husband and wife, Rao and Lakshmi Bai, they are sitting and having a serious discussion. Let's see what the discussion is all about. Gangadhar, Rani, I am very worried. The British are rapidly means very quickly increasing their power. And now there is a new law. The Britishers have made a new law. What is the law? It says that if a king dies without leaving an heir means a child who will take the place of his father, his kingdom will be taken over by the British. If there is no son of the king before dying, then the kingdom will be given to, or the Britishers will take over the kingdom. Rani, yes, I know. The cunning British, the very clever British have taken over many kingdoms like this. And our son is no more, and our son is also dead. She also fears of losing his fort or kingdom. Gangadhar, but Rani, we can adopt a son if you agree. Gangadhar asks Rani, can they adopt a child? Rani, I would be very happy to do that. Rani agreed for adopting the child. Now scene 5. Narrator is describing the scene all about. Lakshmi Bai and Gangadhar Rao adopt a son and called him Damodar Rao. What is the name of Lakshmi Bai's son? Damodar Rao. But fate has another tragedy. Now see, so many bad times have come. Now tragedy, another bad thing happened in store for Rani. Means another thing happened. The day after their son comes home, means Damodar Rao, the day when the son came, Damodar Rao was adopted. The next day what happened? Very bad thing happened. Gangadhar Rao passes away, dies away. The British refused to recognize the adopted son as his successor, as his heir, or as the person to be given the throne. He is not granted the right to rule. Britishers didn't accept Damodar Rao as the son and didn't grant the right to rule. One day at the fort at Jhansi, what happened? Courtier announces, one of the ministers announces, Major Ellis to see the Rani. Now Major Ellis has come to see Rani. The major enters and is seated. Major Ellis, because he is only an adopted son, sorry, I have to start from here. Rani, Major Ellis, I have written many letters to the Governor General Lord Dalhousie regarding my son. Now Rani speaks away. She has written a letter to Governor General regarding the son should be accepted. But why is he not being granted the right to rule? Rani is asking Major Ellis why his son is not granted the right to rule. Major Ellis, because he is only an adopted son. Rani Lakshmi Bai, he is not your own son, he is adopted son. So that is why he will not be the successor of the throne. He cannot be the heir to the throne. And regarding yourself, I have an order from the Governor General of India. I have an order for you. You are to leave the fort and live in a palace in the city. Now you are going to leave the fort. The fort will come under the protection of the British, and you are going to stay in a palace in the city. The fort of Jhansi will now come under British protection. You are going to leave the fort and it will come under the British protection. Rani, protection? Shelter? From whom? How unjust, unfair your laws are. I shall appeal against this order. I will ask again, I will challenge this your law against the court. Then scene 6, narrator. But the appeal is turned down, means the appeal of accepting Damodar Rao as the heir to the throne was turned down, was not accepted. Lakshmi Bai and her son lived quietly in the palace at Jhansi for 3 years until 1857. Now, the Lakshmi Bai has shifted to palace and she stayed there with his Tamod son for 3 years. When the mutiny breaks out, what is mutiny? Refers to India's first war of independence broke out. At the Rani's palace, one by one, the messengers hurriedly report the latest news. Now, at the palace, there are messengers coming one by one and reporting about the news which is there at this time. Messenger 1 said, Rani, there is chaos all around. There is tension all around. Soldiers are refusing to use their rifle cartridges. Cartridges are bullets. The soldiers are not using the cartridges. They are refusing to use those cartridges as it contained some cow flesh. Messenger 2. These soldiers have been dismissed and thrown into prison. The soldiers who refuse to use the cartridges are put behind the bar. Messenger 3. But other sepoys have killed many British officers. Means many sepoys are your soldiers, have killed British officers also. Messenger 4. Long live the Emperor of India. The sepoys have crowned Bahadur Shah Zafar king at Delhi. Means with all this fight going on, few of the sepoys, the soldiers, have crowned or made Bahadur Shah Zafar the king at Delhi. Rani, thoughtfully, yes, now this is the time to act. At present, till 3 years, she was staying at palace for 3 years waiting for some moment to start the fight. Now this was the time to act. I am certain we can get back the fort. The force guarding it is weak. The one who are guarding the fort, the force or the enemy, the army which are guarding the fort is weak and unprepared, and we will attack that this time. Give the call to our soldiers. Call all our soldiers. Prepare for battle. Prepare for the fight to regain the fort. Scene 7. The Rani has recaptured the fort. Means got back or succeeded to get the fort back and is in the fort. In the battle armor. Armor is the dress which the person wears to be safe from the bullets. Soldier enters hurriedly and bows to bend down in front of the Rani. Rani Lakshmi Bai, I have bad news. What is the bad news? 2 of our neighbors have sent armies to invade Jhansi, to succeed over or to win Jhansi. And Sadashiv Rao, our late Maharaja's nephew is Maharaja's son, brother's son. Sadashiv Rao has also attacked with the army. To make matters worse, the British have recaptured Delhi. Now the Delhi is again recaptured or re-won by the Britishers, and are now on their way here. Now everybody is coming towards Jhansi. Rani, pacing up and down. Pacing up means moving up and down. Summon my ministers. Call all my ministers. We need to decide and act quickly. Let us decide what should be our next step and how to act upon it. Rest of the lesson I will explain in my next video.